So if you're a worm living there in the subterranean dirty world there beneath the turf, everything's good, you're just living along, every once in a while there's some rumbling, there's some mowing, but then a storm of birds. You don't know what's happening. It's the rapture. Or just, whoopa, suddenly your friend is plucked out of the ground and it's like you hear a word that is coming from the west. They're coming from the west. Grandpa Worm tells stories about when it happened. Last cycle, 16 of his brothers and sisters were plucked out of the ground. It's the way of the world.